Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how you can perform a factory reset through settings on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! First, we want to navigate into the settings. Then inside settings, we want to go into About Phone section, and right at the bottom we should see Factory Reset. Before we actually do the factory reset, it's probably worth doing a backup using, for example, the Google Backup function or the built-in Redmi's way of doing backups. But if you don't care, you can just skip this entirely and head into factory reset directly. And now you will have a nice list of everything that will get removed. I have no idea why you have the ability to click that even if nothing is happening, but basically it will erase everything. It will remove the account from the phone, it will remove contacts, photos and videos, application, backups, all of that. So what you want to do is probably just hit erase all data, and even then we can see a little warning that, hey, can we actually backup first? But if you want to, you can always click backup. If you don't want to, you can just go with factory reset. And now we'll have a nice attention that factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data, blah blah blah, we all know that. After 10 seconds, you can hit next. And you have one more warning that make sure all the important items are backed up to your computer, all the data on the servers will be erased during the reset, blah 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 blah, everything will be gone. We all know. That's it, okay? And now the factory reset is finally happening. And it might take a while, it's hard to really predict on how long it will take, but generally speaking, it's usually about a few minutes. Oh, I guess that was really fast. Well, let's wait until the phone restarts, and also it's completely normal for your phone to restart a few times, so yeah, you probably will just want to leave that on. And in any moment now, we should see a nice welcome setup screen. That's usually here when you're setting up any kind of Android phone, or any kind of phone really. I doubt that the Redmi setup page will look somewhat different. I don't see why would they change it, to be honest. But as you can see, even though the bar was pretty fast, it still takes some time, and I guess I will just pause the recording and I will unpause it when the setup is complete. Okay, and as you can see, after a few minutes, I don't really know how many, I think not most than 5, we see the setup page, and we can click the arrow and we can begin the setup, which is pretty cool. And it's also the end of this video. If you want to know how to perform a setup, you can always watch my video on that topic. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.